Game 4 in Indiana, the Heat trying to avoid going down 3-1 to the Indiana Pacers, again trying to get a win without Chris Bosh. A lot of Pacers early on in this one. George Hill, the three-pointer, the early 12-5 lead for the home team. Pacers in transition. Paul George to Danny Granger for the open three. He was 4 for 9 from three-point range. Second quarter now, Dwayne Wade misses. Udonis Haslem, the put-back dunk. On the same play off the inbounds, D. Wade gets the steal, feeds LeBron for the layup. The Heat on a comeback. Darren Collison, 16 points off the bench for Indiana. Pacers up by 3. Hill driving out to Granger again, feeling it from the outside. 11-point lead now for Indiana. Miami trying to avoid getting blown out of the building. LeBron, nice bounce pass here to D. Wade. One more look at this. Oh, that's a facial on Tyler Hansbrough. Second half, Paul George going inside. Two-hand jam. 9-point lead for the Pacers, but D. Wade and LeBron scoring 38 straight points in a 13-minute span in the second and third quarters. D. Wade, the three, and Miami, the big comeback. They take the lead, 64-63. LeBron getting into it. Drives, fouled, still gets the hoop, made the free throw. Miami up by 8. Fourth quarter we go. Paul George on the outside. The open three. Oh, and it's a ball game. George, 13 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists in the game. Granger, the three again. 20 points for him in the game. Indiana won't go away. Miami. Udonis Haslem. The jumper. 98-91. The Heat go on to win this one, 101-93. They even the series at 2 games apiece. LeBron with 40 points, D. Wade 30. And they head back down to Miami for Game 5.